I'm that nigga from Chabasti.
What do you like to eat
Let me
today?
get a lunch special, fried chicken, rice and peas. No gravy and a small juice.
Okay, here you go, sir. Have a nice day.
Hello, good morning. Nobody no move, nobody get hurt. I buy this large food. I'm gonna get a little bit of gravy. Where the gravy there?
Alright, sir.
You can't do that. Why? Gravy costs an extra $1. Sir, the extra gravy costs more.
Since when you not charge you gravy?
Achoo, when man buy food, them always give a little bit of gravy.
All you, Mr. Cashier boy?
What you do, man? What you do? Yes, your friend I moved to Gigi. Feel little gravy.
Over gravy.
Shut
man.
up! Put some gravy on that. Me give you, sir. Best thing you do, I left that job here. You done. You first day upon the job and this happen. Me not come back. Chef! Alright, me G, tomorrow, look more. Oxtail and rice and peas. Ah, cool.
Hola, if your man know him woulda cry. Tell him a lie. Oh, you and I, hear more if you do. Tell him one more lie and come out and dance again. Oh yeah, you give me one bad wine last night. Tell no more want some again. Tell him one more lie and come out and dance again.